Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming access to your account and removing any blockers. Make sure you know your email and password. Next, disable two-step verification if it sends codes to your phone, because Snapchat won't let you remove a number used for authentication. While you're here, turn off Contacts Sync to prevent automatic relinking and to protect privacy. Once done, head to your profile screen and open Settings so you're ready for the next detailed steps. You'll go into Settings and select Mobile Number. Tap the listed phone number so controls appear. When the Remove or Delete option shows, choose it and confirm. This instructs Snapchat to unlink that number from your account and stop using it for account recovery. Make sure to follow any on-screen confirmation prompts, and remember that changes can take a few minutes to propagate across Snapchat servers. Once the UI reflects removal, move on to verify other contact methods like email. Finish by confirming your email is set for account recovery and switch two-step verification to an alternate method if required. If the phone number still shows after removal, clear the app cache, force close Snapchat, and log out, then back in to refresh account data. If that doesn't resolve it, contact Snapchat support from the app or support portal and explain you removed the number, but it remains tied to the account. One key tip: disable any carrier.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.